Hello everybody. Today my topic is remove to. So before starting the topic, we need to understand what do we call to, TOO2. So first of all, TOO2 is an adverb of excess. Please remember, to is an adverb of excess. It means more than enough. It is a kind of negative. It always comes before an adjective. Please remember, to is an adverb of excess. It means more than enough. It is a kind of negative. It always comes before an adjective. To can be used in the following constructions. Please remember, to can be used in the following constructions. First, TOO2 plus adjective plus to plus V1. Just for example, this news is too good to be true. This news is too good to be true. This news is so good that it cannot be true. It's a given example here. Instead of TOO2, we use here so. And instead of this to TO, we need to use that. Now this news is too good to be true. It's a sentence with a TOO2. It's a affirmative, okay, here. But when we write by using so and that, it will become negative, cannot be true. Next, construction TOO2 plus adjective plus for with a noun or pronoun plus TO2 plus V1. Again, TOO2 plus adjective plus for plus with, you can say with a noun or pronoun plus 2 plus V1. Just for example, this soup is too hot for me to drink. Now this soup is too hot for me to drink. Can you see here for me here? So for with a noun or pronoun here, me means pronoun. To drink, and drink means V1. Can you see 2 plus V1? So answer, this soup is so hot, too hot, so hot, that I cannot drink. Now can you see here for me it is used, so instead of for me I put here I cannot drink. It means can't drink it. Now here it is used for this soup. Clear? Now let's study the rules for the remove to. Yes, remove to. Generally, in a sentence, when we remove to, we need to use so that. So dear students, when we remove to from the sentence, we need to use so that. If the sentence that contains TOO2 is affirmative, then the sentence containing so that becomes negative and vice versa. Okay, so here to affirmative, so that will become negative. Just for example, he was too weak to walk. Can you see here, too weak to walk? So instead of these two, we need to use so, and instead of these two, we need to use that. He was so weak that he could not walk. Now can you see here, could not? Why? Because here this is be form, was. It's a past tense, so we need to use here could not. He was so weak that he could not walk. Next example. The bag is too heavy for the girl to carry. Now can you see, the bag is too heavy for the girl to carry. So answer, the bag is so heavy. Here too heavy, so heavy that the girl cannot carry it. Now here for the girl, so we can use as a subject that the girl cannot carry it. Now here it is used for the bag. The bag is so heavy that the girl cannot carry it. Next, sentence formation. What do you call sentence formation? So subject plus be form. Now here be form means present or past, plus TOO2 plus adjective plus to plus verb. So that for when we turn into so that subject plus be form present or past plus so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus cannot or could not. Now this cannot and could not, it will be dependent on be form. If present, so cannot. If past, so could not, plus verb plus other words. Next, remember 2 plus 2 or 4, so we need to use so plus that plus not. Remember this thing in your mind. Next, now let's study the examples. First examples. I am too tired to walk. I am too tired to walk. Now can you see a to is used? So instead of these two we need to use so. And instead of these two we need to use that. So answer, I am so tired that I cannot walk. I am so tired that I cannot walk. Now we have which pronoun? Can you see in the subject I pronoun is given, so when we use, so that after that we need to use I as a pronoun, because here this pronoun I is used as a subject, so that same pronoun will be used here. I am so tired that I cannot walk. Next example, it was too hot to drink. Now here too, so it was too hot to drink. So answer, it was so hot that I could not drink. Now can you see a could not? Why? Because here was in the sentence, was as a be form, so here we need to use could not. Please remember, if you have past be form, so here could not. Now in the first sentence am, it's a present tense, that's why we need to put here cannot. So it was so hot that I could not drink. Third example, it was too heavy to lift. Now, so here it was, we will write here first it was. Instead of these two we will write so. Heavy will be remain as it is. Now here instead of these two we will write that. It was so heavy that. Now your subject, what subject? So you can use here I also. We have pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it. You can use any pronoun. It was so heavy that I. Now we have was, so we will put here could not. I could not lift. Okay. It was so heavy that I could not lift. Same sentence you can write by using it as a pronoun here. Just for example, it was so heavy that it could not be lifted. It could not be lifted. That's also here lifted will be lifted. Why? Because it's a passive. It was so heavy that it could not be lifted. That answer is also possible. Next, it seemed too much an amount to spend. So let's start here. Too much, TOO. So here now here it, here form it is given V2 form, so here we will write here same here. It seemed so much an amount. Now instead of these two we will write here as a pronoun. Okay, sorry, before that we will need to use that. So it seems so much an amount that. Now your pronoun we need to use here he, we also, you can use they also, he also, she also. So it seems so much an amount that we. Now we are same V2 form, so we need to use here could not. we could not spend. So spend will be as a V1. Answer, it seems so much an amount that we could not spend. Once again, it seems so much an amount that we could not spend. Next example, the present plan is too expensive to undertake. Now can you see, same here, this present plan is too expensive to undertake. So these two will be so. Just for answer, the present plan is so expensive. Instead of these two, we will write that. Now, what as a subject we need to use? You can use here we also or they also, we. Now here is, so we will use here cannot. We cannot undertake. Okay, the present plan is too expensive to undertake. So I answer with so that. Can you see a so that? So the present plan is so expensive that we cannot undertake. Same sentence, if you want to write in passive, so what will be? The present plan is so expensive that it cannot be undertaken. Instead of using we as a pronoun, we can use it as a pronoun also instead of the present plan. The present plan is so expensive that it cannot be undertaken. Next, it was too dear to punish him. So now instead of these two, so, and instead of these two, that. Just say the answer. It was so dear that we could not. Why could not? Because of here was, so here could not. It was so dear that we could not punish him. That's our answer. Next, Valli would be too jealous to listen to their talks. Valli would be too jealous to listen to their talks. Now can you see here it is used would, and okay, so same way if it is use here would, so what we need to use for the answer? We will write Valli would be. Now instead of these two, we will write here so, so. And here jealous, that's our adjective. So is jealous. Now instead of TO2, we need to use here that. Now after what we need to write? So here after that we need to use pronoun. Which pronoun? Whatever use here, Valli. Valli would be so jealous that. So we need to use here C. And here would, so same way we will use here would, but it's a positive, so we will make here negative. Would not listen to their talks. Please remember, 8 number C is too fat to climb the tree. Now we are too fat, so its answer is written so fat that she cannot climb the tree. C is too fat to climb the tree. Answer, C is so fat that she cannot climb the tree. So dear friends, this, please remember this topic. Here this topic, can you see here, remove to. Okay. So this sentence, I am too tired to walk. It's a one kind of simple sentence. Okay, with a remove, okay, with a to. But when we write this sentence, I am so tired that I cannot walk. So this sentence will become complex. So please remember, this topic will help you for the simple and complex sentences. That is your next grammar topic. So please remember, TOO2, so we need to use so, and TO2 we need to use that. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you.